morning. I'm getting some orders ready to go out, and I'm doing some sewing on some more bags. I think I mentioned the bags 2 days ago. I cut out some more. And I actually won't be able to show you guys a lot of the sculpting I'm doing this week because this week is the week the Advents go out. I am so excited. But I do have a lot of work to do. So, and obviously they're a surprise, so I can't show you guys what I'm making. I just realized that I had a fireplace sound playing in the background the whole time I was talking. If you guys liked that, I'm glad, but if not, I'm sorry. I have tinnitus, so I always need some sort of background noise. Otherwise, it's just ringing in my ears all the time. And I've had it since I can remember. I mean, I don't remember ever having a time in my life that my ears weren't ringing. So it's not like it really drives me crazy. It's just like I would rather be listening to another noise than ringing in my ears. So anyway, I am going to get started with my work week, and it's another cold and kind of gloomy day today. But I hope you all had a really good weekend, and yeah, we'll get this week started together. Time to go get the kids. I am going to, I don't have a lot of time, but I would really like to make a cup of coffee before I go. So I'm going to do that. My new sweater arrived and it fits much better. See, there's not a huge gap, and so that's awesome. And it's perfect for today because it is 35 degrees outside and raining and just very, very cold. So I'm very happy to have a sweater to cuddle up in. And also something else arrived today. This little guy arrived today too. I collect chamber stick candle holders from 111 Pottery on Etsy, and she had a new size and they are so perfect. I messaged her and I said, please make more of these. I want more in this size. So I have this one, here's another one that I have. It has a fake candle in it right now, but it will have a real one hopefully soon. And then my other one is back here, and she actually has some like this in her shop right now. I have a homemade candle that I made in it. So yeah, I'm obsessed with her work. Turkey! What are you doing? Are you the coldest kitty in the world? Siri does not tolerate the cold at all. She demands that we turn on that heating pad. She knows where we store it. We have it in this ottoman back here, but I can't show you what's on the ottoman because I'm still working on Advent stuff. And she will sit next to it and get like really excited, like when she's cold. When she's cold, she is constantly seeking a lap or just acting really uncomfortable and unhappy and very open about it. When we bring the heating pad out, she'll be like, put me on that right now, turn it on right now. And that is where she's been all day. I've looked into heated cat beds before, but right now we're just kind of on a spending halt. We are not spending any money right now, so when we come out of that, I might look into that for her this winter.